Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil fell 1% after US President Donald Trump urged Saudi Arabia and OPEC to bring down its cost during his address at the World Economic Forum. Uncertainty over how Trump's proposed tariffs and energy policies would affect global economic growth and energy demand also weighed on prices. The benchmark S&P 500 rose to a record closing high as investors assessed a mixed bag of corporate earnings and digested comments from President Donald Trump, including a call for cuts in interest rates and oil prices. US President Donald Trump signed an order to create a cryptocurrency working group, fulfilling a campaign promise after he courted cash from digital asset companies, pledging to be a crypto president.
The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The sterling dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory.
Upcoming economic releases on the calendar include high-impact events alongside moderate and low-impact reports. Traders and investors alike should be prepared, as any of these data points could spark changes in market dynamics and volatility. Monitoring these key data points can reveal shifts in market sentiment. Whether they align with expectations or bring surprises, these events could shape the near-term market outlook.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.